What happened with your hot date last night?
Oh, Sally, it was a disaster. She canceled. She had a bad cold.
Are you sure she had a cold?
Yes, I'm sure she had a cold. I heard her sneeze twice.
Harry, your naivete is très amusement. Did you ever think she may have faked the sneeze to get out of the date with you?
Fake the sneeze?
Yes.
No way.
Oh, listen, Harry, take it from moi. Most women at one time or another have faked a sneeze to get out of a date.
Really? Well, excusez-moi, miss, I'm jealous of Babe. You don't think that I can tell the difference between a real sneeze and a fake sneeze?
No.
Get out of here.
Waiter, I'll have what she's having, only less pepper.